started the business overall in 1998, but we started with Revive in 2004 when it rebranded. The model for the business was one man in a van. I couldn't do that. I have another business. I do an IT consultancy. Rather than me going out and painting, I would employ somebody straight away.
I actually started as a Revive technician, an employee for another franchisee in December 1999. We had our first baby on the way and Natalie decided he didn't want to go to work full time. My father-in-law said he'd help us with some money, why didn't I buy my own franchise? And that way Natalie could help run the business from home with having a new baby.
The money we saved over years we could spend on the house, we could invest in the house. We decided that investing in a business will be a better idea. Where we were in our lives, we weren't quite sure where we want to settle, and we definitely knew we want to run our own business. Michael is a great skilled technician and he needed a background to be able to do things that he wants, and he were never able to do it working for somebody else.